Habang pinapanood mo to ngayon, naubos ko na yan. Pero let me share guys kung anong lasa nito. This is an iced latte drizzled with salted caramel and no added any sweetener. So guys, ang delightful nung lasa nitong iced latte na to. So refreshing and yung creaminess nito guys, goods talaga. Iba pa rin talaga pag Emborg yung gamit mong milk. Delightful yung combination ng kape at ng gatas. And one of the best thing here is yung drizzled salted caramel. Kapag sinabi natin caramel, naisip mo agad na ang tamis. So, hindi ako mahilig sa matamis kaya in this video, I put the caramel on top para hindi to maging sweetener. Pero, it will give some flavor to our drink. And because it was a salted caramel, it can help the coffee boldness para lumabas at mas malasahan natin yung sarap ng kape without its bitter flavor. Any questions guys? Comment down below.